Yummy. Look at all of that creamy peanut butter. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. We are adding a half cup of some peanut butter right into our bowl here. We are gonna follow it up with some snickerdoodle cookie mix. We'll dump that right on top. Oh yeah, you guys. Now, of course, you can use any type of peanut butter you want. I'm choosing the creamy. Ooh, add a half cup of butter along with that. Also, 1 egg, so we'll just break that sucker right in there. Perfect. Of course, you want to give those a mix, you guys. What an easy hack to get some super delicious peanut butter cookies. So just to do a little recap there, we used a bag of the snickerdoodle cookie mix, then a half cup of peanut butter. We used a half cup of butter and 1 egg, and we are just mixing that all together. Wow, I can smell the peanut butter. And like I said, of course, you can use any kind of PB you want. I chose creamy. I don't know if you have a kind that you can't live without, you guys share it in the comments. I love peanut butter, so I always love trying new peanut butters. I think I actually just got like 2 others along with this one. So we're just gonna mix it all up till we see that all those ingredients are fully combined. We're moving right along here. Alrighty, looks like we have that all mixed up. This looks great, you guys. We're moving right along here. I'm gonna go ahead and slide in my whoopie pie pan because it's my favorite way to make cookies. Oh yes, because it has this, the form in it, right? So it allows you to keep it when the cookies are being made. I don't know, that's probably like a really, really bad description right there. I'll work on that next time. So I'm gonna fill these all up. I don't know if I'm just gonna add 1 ball or 2 balls. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna see, because as soon as I get these on here, I'm gonna kind of spread them out just a little bit. But yeah, having this whoopie pie pan really does make a difference. I use it for so many different things. It is really great, and it just keeps the form of the cookie, kind of just making them all the same uniform shape, which I love. Okay, so I think I am gonna add just a little bit more mix to that, so then I can smash it down, and then we kind of just have it all smashed there, just like so. So that I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna kind of pair that up, doing that with each one here, you guys. Holy cow, is peanut butter one of your favorites? Are you guys adding anything to these? These are gonna be delicious. I am ready for a sweet treat. These look absolutely great, and I'm not gonna lie, I did try the batter and it was phenomenal. I know some people are scared of eating egg in that batter, but I'm just not scared about it. It's too good to pass up. Okay, so I have some Reese's Pieces here, and this isn't a have to, but I am definitely all for it. So I am gonna put some Reese's Pieces right here in each one of these cookies, you guys, just to kind of like jazz it up a little bit. Almost make them look just a little bit more professional, right? So we got some really good peanut butter cookies here. I'm gonna stuff these bad boys with some Reese's Pieces. What are you putting in there? I don't know. We'll be right back. Oh, I might have to eat some for myself. All right, we are locked and loaded on our peanut butter cookie situation here, and it looks fabulous. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes and stick around because I think these are gonna be gone pretty fast. Our perfect peanut butter cookies are all done, and I mean, would you just look at that? How could you go wrong, you guys? Those look so tasty. I'm gonna take this one right here in the front. Let me see if I can just get it right out. Oh, perfect. Look at that perfect cookie. Look at that perfect cookie. Oh, it's perfect on the bottom. I love some depth in my cookie because it just makes it nice and soft in the middle here. Let's get it right in half. Oh yeah, now of course, I'm gonna take a bite on this side with all the Reese's Pieces. You better believe it. Oh my gosh. Absolutely amazing, you guys. What an easy way to switch up a cookie. I swear, you know those really good cookies that you get at the mall, the ones that you can like just not resist? These taste exactly like that. They are fabulous, you guys. I hope that you love this easy recipe. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna switch up. We'll see you later. Enjoy.